And once the lights respond again and the connection is restored, your Hue Bridge is now successfully reconnected to the new Wi-Fi network. In most cases, connectivity issues happen after a Wi-Fi name or password change, and these steps help bring everything back online smoothly. If none of the basic steps work, the final option is to factory reset the Philips Hue Bridge. Press and hold the reset button on the bridge for a few seconds using a pointed tool until the LED starts blinking. Keep in mind that this will erase all existing settings, and you'll need to set up the bridge again from scratch. So use this step only as a last resort. Before resetting, consider using a Wi-Fi extender with an Ethernet port. Since the Hue Bridge does not connect via Wi-Fi and relies on a wired internet connection, plugging it into a Wi-Fi extender allows you to place the bridge in a more centralized location while still keeping it connected to your new network. If you're still facing issues, connect the Hue Bridge directly to your new router using an Ethernet cable. This creates a stable connection and often helps the bridge recognize the new network settings. A simple reboot can also fix the issue. Just unplug the Hue Bridge, wait a few seconds, and plug it back in. Before starting the process, always make sure your phone is connected to the new Wi-Fi network you want to use. Also remember, the Hue Bridge itself does not use Wi-Fi. It must stay connected to your router using an internet cable. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we explained how to reconnect your Philips Hue Bridge to a new Wi-Fi network step by step. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe for more helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching.